How's it growing, gardeners?
Today we're going to do a potato harvest, the last of our potatoes. I don't expect this to be very good. We did a how-to video pretty late, so it's probably going to be a bunch of tiny potatoes, if any. If we get any big ones, I'll be shocked. So we'll get after it and we'll show you what we got. All right, just sit at the edge. Now, these bags, these are 10-pound bags, and I put hay all the way around them. It'll protect them from the cold, and then when the frost comes, you can just put a frost cloth or a sheet or something over it and continue growing them. But I didn't get to putting a frost cloth over them, so the plants died, which is okay. Ooh, this might be good. You ready?
Yeah.
I think we're good. Right there. Okay. Let's see what we got.
Oh!
Yeah! Win! It's a win. Look at. This is not a bad potato we planted these just before fall hit and still got a good harvest here. Well, we'll see. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Look at that, huh? Look at, huh? Yeah. This may not. Ooh, look at this another. Oh, look at this one. Huh? Look at that. This is just a couple months. That's the seed potato. This is just a couple months worth of growth too, mind you. Not too shabby, huh, Braylee? Oh my. Oh my, show. Look at this. Huh? Then we have, look at, give me that one. In the grocery store, they call these new potatoes. They're not new potatoes. They're underdeveloped small potatoes, and they charge you twice the price. Don't buy them. Grow your own. Huh? Look at this. Another seed potato. Man, big surprise. Big surprise.
I think that's it.
I think that's it. That's right. All right. We'll get this off to the side.
That's
We'll get this next bag in here. Oh, we might have another winner. Yeah, yeah, still growing. Look at that. Oh man, see, this one was sprouting. I'm actually you can bust all these off and eat it. Nice. Or you could save this, bust them off, and save it for a seed potato. We're gonna eat it. Nice. See, look at this tiny.
Yeah, boy.
What is known?
Oh, this is the tiniest.
That is itty bitty. Did you eat it?
No.
Is it tinier than this one?
Yeah, it was way tinier. That's all she wrote.
All right. Okay. Push all our dirt over here.
My fingers are cold.
I know. This dirt is cold.
Yeah.
Because it is cold.
Oh, it's raining.
It's starting to rain. We got one more bag.
Hurry.
The show must go on. Look at the camera and say it. The show must go on.
The show must go on. As I put my head up.
Okay. Last bag. 3 10-pound bags. Each one of these had 3 potatoes.
Ah!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wait.
No, that's a good one. That's okay. None of those matter. We're eating that sucker. Don't throw them. We still got to cure them. Oh, look at that. Oh, that one rot. That's a sweet potato.
Oh.
Got one. Anything in there? Nothing. Ooh, little ones. These are roast potatoes. Yeah, buddy. I can't believe there's nothing else in there.
Nope.
Nothing.
Nope.
Come on, man. Give us something.
Nope. Oh, there's a baby one.
Watch
Is this edible?
Yeah, absolutely.
I don't know.
This is what we ended up with. Not bad. If we would have been able to go the full amount of time, then this would have been far better than what it was. But you're at the mercy of Mother Nature. Nothing else you can do. Anyways, follow us. Hashtag Heller's Harvest on Facebook, Heller's Harvest on TikTok, Heller's Harvest on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, she's single.
Oh my
Loves
gosh,
to garden,
get out, get out.
hunting and fishing, and she's on the honor roll. How can you beat that?